I went out this weekend, so I basically slept like all day today. And I feel like ramen is, let's be real, like I eat it all the time, but it's one of my favorite hangover foods. So a lot of you guys have like mixed responses to my videos. Like, I'm surprised that so many people didn't know that like food ASMR was a thing. Like, I think I discovered food ASMR like 4 or 5 years ago. And trigger warning, I honestly fell in love with food ASMR because it helped me eat on days that I couldn't come up with an appetite. And it wasn't like something that I like super seriously struggled with. I genuinely would just like forget, and then I would get so hungry that I didn't know what I wanted to eat. So I would watch food ASMR videos and it helped me get hungry. But if you are one of those people that is sensitive to eating noises, I recommend not watching my videos. I actually have a couple friends that tell me that they watch my videos, but they'll turn the volume like all the way down. Oh, that's a lot. And I agree, there are some ASMR sounds that even I'm sensitive to. Like, I don't really know why I can't really handle some that are almost too detailed with the noises, but anyways, cheers.